Hi everyone, I'm Donna and thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I am going to be sharing my Lurella subscription box for June. This is like my favorite box for makeup. The amount of makeup that we get in this box for the price that we pay is amazing. So I pay $25, I believe it is, for this box, and this one that we have today has $88 worth of product in it. One thing that I really like about the box is that we always get a palette in every box. There have been months when we've gotten 2 or 3 palettes, but we always get at least 1 palette in every box, and that is very encouraging to me to be able to get that. So I feel like it is well worth the cost of the box. If you like using makeup that is a little higher end, subscription boxes are a great way to get some of this makeup, and everything in this box is full size, so that makes it really nice as well. So the first thing in here is a pair of lash scissors. Nice set of lash scissors. They have a very sharp end. These are valued at $8. So that is nice. The next item is iconic lip gloss. Let's see which one that is. That is this one here, iconic lip gloss. I'm gonna see if I can open it so we can take a look at it, see what it looks like, what the color is, all that wonderful stuff. They always have very attractive packaging too. I do like the packaging that comes with Lurella. Okay, so here we have, this is of course Lurella brand. Let's get the lip gloss out. I think I like that color. It's a nice one. I already have lips on, and I'm going to go ahead and I like that. It's a nice neutral summer color, and it looks like the name of it is Price. Here it is. Priceless. The name of the shade is Priceless. So that is nice. That's valued at $10. Okay, next we will get an eyeliner. We get this open for you and take a look at the eyeliner and what kind of tip it uses, because that's really important in eyeliners. See if it says a color. It's probably black. It says continuous flow, long lasting, and easy to clean. Again, I like that packaging. It's like square, Can you see that? It's like square packaging. Oh, okay, so here we go. There is our tip. Let's see if I can do it like a lighter touch. Yeah, can do a really light touch. So that is nice. I like that for an eyeliner. I don't wear a whole lot of eyeliner, but every once in a while I will wear some, so I'm happy to get that. Okay, next we have, oh, I'm sorry, the eyeliner was valued at $10. Then we have 2 brushes. They look like they are blending brushes for the eyes. That's what I would use them for your blending your eyeshadow. So that is good. And the other one is the same, Ashley. They look like they're both eyeshadow brushes, mainly for blending. Those are valued at $12. That would be $6 each. Okay, next we have Lurella Cleansing Wipes. Gently cleanses, invigorates, and soothes the skin. There's 25 sheets, and that is valued at $8. I'm going to take one out and give it a little try. I use a lot of these types of wipes, so I'm always happy when I get them. It has a very clean scent to it. Let's see how it does with this eyeliner. There we go. So that's good. Usually that's what I use them for, is I put stuff on my hand and then I need to wipe them off. So that's good. And I really do like the clean smell of it. Okay, next we have a matte setting mist. This is valued at $16. It is 80 milliliters. It's a good size bottle. Take a look and see. My scissors here. There we go. So a setting mist. Oh, yeah, it's nice. That's very nice. Definitely will use that. I use, of course, setting mist all the time to set my makeup, so definitely. So far, everything in this box I will use, and I do love it when I get a box where I'm going to use everything in it. That just like makes me very happy. Okay, so last but not least, we are taking out the eyeshadow palette. It is called Love is Love. What it looks like on the outside. So I can get the seal off, get it open for you. I always get excited about eye palettes, so I just love all the colors. Okay, so take that off. And of course, the palette looks the same as the cover. Love is Love. Here it goes. Oh, these are beautiful. I love this one. I love that there are so many astounding eye looks that we can get from this. And I like how the glitters, it appears that the glitters all have a matching powder. And a lot of times in the summer, I'll do looks like, if you look at my eye look right now, I do like a solid color with a little bit of a matching glitter to complement it. And this palette is going to be perfect for that. So I am like really thrilled with this, and it has so many gorgeous colors. Greens, oranges, yellows, blues, purples, pinks. It is gorgeous. And this palette is valued at $24. So if you were to buy this on your own, that would basically be the cost of the box. So can't wait to do some eye looks with this one, and over on my makeup channel. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait. So what did you think of this box? Personally, I love the box. I love the palette. The palette on its own was well worth what I paid for the description box. But then in addition, I got the cleansing wipes, which I use a lot of, the setting mist, which is an everyday use, the lip gloss, the eyeliner, the brushes, and the lash scissors. So I will leave a link in a description box for you in case you want to give this box a try. I also, if I have a discount code for you, I will provide that in a description box as well. Thank you for joining me as I opened my favorite makeup subscription box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel when you like our videos, and it helps our channel when you comment on our videos as well. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!